Temple of Vedic Planetarium, or TOVP in brief, is a prophecy. It was foretold 500 years ago by Nityananda, or Lord Nityananda as he is referred to, as a place from where Krishna consciousness would spread really all over the world. It is known that if you do something at particularly potent places, whatever you do will spread. That's why the Bhagavatam was discussed in the forest of Naimisharanya, a place which is directly in the center of the universe. It was known if it is done, if the Bhagavatam is spoken there, it will spread from there all over the world. So the Temple of Vedic Planetarium is at such a place in Shida Mayapur that whatever is done in this temple will have long-lasting effect on the rest of the planet Earth. That's why we are very eager to complete the building of this most magnificent temple. I think when this is completed and the worship is actually in place, and many kirtans are done there, there will be a very positive influence all over the globe, which will be felt by our human society. It will be a wave of auspiciousness which comes from this wonderful temple.